Hi Shreya, welcome
Hello.
to Biopractify's testimonials.
Hello, Vineet. It is nice to meet you. So finally, after doing so many programs online, I'm meeting you face to face. It is indeed my pleasure.
It is my pleasure as well. So how are you handling the weather here?
In starting when I came over here, it was a bit very much cold for me because in my region there is not much cold. But now the temperature is increasing little bit, so I don't have to wear so much of warm clothes.
Yes, so this is really nice. I think from past few days it is getting warmer, so it is nice. As in, so those of you don't know, so Shreya is from Mumbai and she's now in Delhi. So that is quite a temperature drop here. So she's handling it really well. So Shreya, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
My name is Shreya Upadhyay, and I have done my BSc and MSc in botany from University of Mumbai. But as I have done my masters quite long back ago, and back then the status of bioinformatics in India, as per my knowledge, it was not that much. Like there were some few universities offering programs in MSc in bioinformatics, but it was not widespread as compared to today. Because nowadays there are artificial intelligence, machine learning tools. So much of things have happened. So to keep myself updated with the industry, and I also, as I was exploring LinkedIn, I came to know that nowadays many research work are happening on artificial intelligence tools and lots of computational biology tools. So I thought that I must upgrade myself because I had already wasted my time sometimes due to not taking right decision. But Biopractify program gave me lot of broad perspective and broad outlook. So it has helped me to decide what can be my future career.
So that is really great and it is really inspiring as well. So, Shreya, can you tell the viewers like which program did you participated in and what was that program all about?
So basically, I had participated in summer in a skill development program, and that skill development program was on use of bioinformatics, artificial intelligence, learning, and machine learning in biology. So there were so many tools that we had learned about. For particularly, I got to know about how to use Python for analyzing biological data because I really didn't had any knowledge that first we upload sequences in FASTA format and then we analyze it. And I also came to know about the Galaxy tools, which actually helps in lot of data, which actually saves a lot of time in generating results. And also molecular docking and such things actually saves a lot of time because mostly in wet lab experiments sometimes there are variations in result, but dry lab techniques actually helps in preparation of experiments well in advance, and it gives us results and prediction quite well in advance. So it is very much helpful. So I got to know so many things by attending this program.
So, can we say this program met your expectations or
The thing is that this program met my expectations, and also I would suggest that if we could let even more tools, like instead of 1 month, if there could be like even 2 months program also, so that would be even that will give a overall pace.
so like let's say if someone asks from you, would you recommend this program to them or like what would you say is the best skill that you gained through this program?
The best skills that I gained through this program was using BioPython, Google Colab, and also using Galaxy software. And the data that we used to analyze was the COVID-19 data. So the thing is that that actually gives us the understanding of a lot of AI and machine learning tools. And the thing is that initially it is difficult to understand, but here the experts are always there to guide us. So with their easy way of explanation and 24 into 7 help assistance, we one can overcome difficulty.
So, like after attending this program, how has this program helped you? Because I think you attended this program back in August 2024. So since then, how has it helped you to develop yourself professionally and help you overcome any challenges or improve in areas you were struggling with?
Actually, the thing is that I at first I was like that. Okay, I didn't had any idea about computational biology, so I was just searching and looking a lot about computational biology, and then I found out about this program, and I was quite naive. I didn't had any. I have a zero background of computer knowledge, so zero background of computational biology knowledge. So I thought that why not let's join the program and see how what are the things that I can learn. So as I went further and further, I came to know that even in future whenever I will pursue PhD, I can apply some of these tools for my research. Like for example, Galaxy software. It's not that we only have to analyze bacterial genomes. We can analyze genomes of any organism. So overall, genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics, these techniques which I always wanted to learn, I was always thinking about. It's like I manifested it in my mind and it came automatically. So it's like a God gifted chance for me.
That is really nice. And so, what aspect of the program stood out the most to you? Like whether it is the instructors, whether it is the participants that you studied with, or whether it is the organizers or the resources or the community that you have been since the member of.
Actually, the thing is, the what most I like about the program is that instructors' availability. Instructors were helpful at each and every stage, and also students mentor guiding students, those who had already taken this program and guided students on how we can submit on how we can overcome difficulties while doing the assignment. And also the thing is that whenever we used to have difficulties in installing any softwares, so instructors would first help us in troubleshooting these problems. And the thing is that even after that, if we had difficulties, then we participants also among us ourselves used to help the most. So it's like overall combination of everything that has helped me make this program successful.
So, this was a 1 month program, and considering that it covered bioinformatics, machine learning, drug discovery, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. So, were there any challenges that you faced, and how did you overcome those challenges?
The most important challenges that I faced was sometimes that thankfully I had latest version of laptop with me, so software installing was not difficult. But sometimes when I could not when there were so many errors and I could not interpret the results, so Vineet helped me to connect with the instructors. So then, after having another discussion, and getting help from instructors privately as well, it helped me overcome difficulties. Because sometimes what happens that there are so many participants, so maybe when there are so many people, so we are not able to understand things. But if there is something one-on-one thing when we ask and then it is addressed, then it helps to overcome difficulties.
That is really great, and thanks for mentioning about me. Now I'm over the top. So, uh, like what, like what is that one thing that you will recommend to the future participants of this program? Let's say someone is planning to attend this program, so how could they make the most out of this program? Any like specific suggestion that you will have for them? Ke they should focus on this more, they should focus on that more, and what is like one suggestion would be?
Actually, Actually, the suggestion that I would like to give is only in two words: self practice. Self practice, self practice, and self practice. No matter whenever you join the program or whenever the program ends, always they Biopractify already provides us with the study material, instructional material, and recordings and everything. So we have access to everything. So even after the program finishes, whenever we feel that okay, we need this, we can go back and revise that particular part and keep on practicing more and more until we become expert in it. And then once we become expert, we can analyze it on our own self that where we are making mistakes. Then as usual, even after finishing, after the program is finished, Biopractify team is always there to help us. I had uh, I had applied for my university PhD programs abroad. So there they were asking me in interview about which particular softwares I'm expert on. So I had mentioned about Galaxy, and I had also mentioned about Bio, Python, Orange, and Google Colab. So, Google Colab things that I have learned about it. So they were really very much impressed that I know so many things, and despite having my botany background, I still managed to learn new things, and this program really helped me to shape my skills. And I feel that overall it is the self practice and your determination to learn and never give up. If you feel like you are stuck somewhere, you can reach out to Vineet, you can reach out to instructor. They will always help you and guide you, and even for career guidance also, mentors are there. And the one thing that I would recommend to each and every student is that if you have a zero knowledge or and zero absolute background, it's not that you need to know anything before. It's like you can join because instructors here start teaching from scratch. So they start teaching from scratch to advanced level. So in just a span of 1 month time, from zero absolute knowledge to wide aspect of knowledge, this thing becomes really great. So in starting it will be difficulty, but never give up because mentors and tutors are always helpful and always available to guide here.
Thank you, Shreya. You have painted a overall picture of this skill development program, and after that, like you have also came a long way. So right now you are pursuing this research projects here, hands-on project in Delhi, and I admire the dedication you have. And your journey is inspiring in a lot of ways. How you are like pursuing your ambition, regardless of how like you have switched and into other field as well. Like still you are pursuing the programs or the skills that you wished for. So that is really inspiring. And I hope like everyone has the courage to pursue their ambition.
That
And
is that is absolutely great because now I think that all fields and each and everything in biology is this are interconnected. And the thing is that now it's the time after COVID, people has realized that biology is not just a subject. It has become a great part of engineering. So it is like a mix of interdisciplinary background. So it makes sense and it makes important for everyone to keep on upgrading their skills, try learning new things because it broadens up the fields and it broadens up the horizon. So, hence, irrespective of any field, it is important that we should have an interdisciplinary approach, which will help us, uh, which will help us sharpen our analytical skills. So, this is what overall I would like to say.
thank you very much, Shreya. It was really insightful talking to you today. And thanks for taking out time to give this testimonial. It really means a lot to me. And since like you have participated in this program, so you have been a lot of help to me as well. How you helped in the as in hosting in various programs as a student mentor. So that is also really great of you. So thank you very much, and hope you have a great time pursuing the PhD that you are planning for. So do you have any other comments?
The last thing I would like to say is that to all the students, please don't think much before joining because it is really quite beneficial. Mark my words, everyone will benefit if you do it sincerely. What matters is your sincerity and your dedication. Rest everything here, Biopractify team is there to take care of.
Thank you.
It was pleasure meeting you.
Same here.